Hey everyone, this is Kenny here. So today I'm actually bringing you to this Xiang satay house right behind me. They are gonna get their pork satay. Of course, satay house, what else can you get, right? This place, right, I've been coming to this place since I was a kid. My family actually like to come here, bring us here. And even from when we were young to today, right, this is our favorite spot for pork satay in Melaka. So let's go. So it's right opposite the SKKC Petik. This is Jalan Portugis here. So you come in on the left, you'll be seeing this Xiang satay house. You just go down this road. It's actually Jonker Street already. Okay? So on Jonker Street you can actually come here. Okay, the best one is their sardine intestine, but you must come early lah, because it's very fast sold out. 1 AM to 8:30 PM. This is how the store is. Never change after. This is the homemade nut sauce. Goes with it. This is the box of pig. It looks good in it. So there is it. So this is where the magic happens. So when you order, the satay is prepared fresh upon order. Here we go. Hot out. Our whole family, right? They finish at about 50 lah, 5 hours. Plus some rice. Order the packet rice. But today I didn't. Just wanted to enjoy this until this night. The 10 of spices and the satay, fantastic. What you do sometimes, you take the cucumber, you put it served with some onions also, put in the sauce. So, if you are around Melaka, if you go down the street, right, this shop is just walking distance from the street, so don't miss this shop, right? If you are into Hainanese style pork satay, this shop is the OG. It's been around since I was a kid. I'll leave the address in the description down below for you to come and check this shop out. Alright, please come if you are here to Xiang satay house. It's Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.